Hello guys, good morning. This is Melissa Baradero ng Mitsubishi Picabad Santos. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Melissa Baradero, ang Ilongganyong Agent. So for this video, tutunghayan po natin ang X-Force GT na top of the line 2025 model. Titignan po natin kung ano yung specification and details at kung paano siya gagamitin. So, for this video, titingnan din po natin ang all-in down payment and then ang promo po ng X-Force natin na 2025. Panoorin nyo po hanggang dulo. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and follow nyo lang po ako, Melissa Baradero, ang Ilongganyong Agent. My Facebook account is Melissa Baradero. And then, my YouTube channel is tumawag sa number ko, 0945-847-0886 o kaya sa isang Globe ko, 0967-048-3951 o kaya sa Smart ko na 0961-413-4121. Tunghayan nyo po ang specification po ng X-Force natin
Sa grill.
2025
New design na siya na Generation Dynamic Shell Design. Ang benefit niya, tougher appearance, engine performance, efficiency due to its front grille design for more clearance to allow air to enter. The front grille and bumper of the X-Force has a bolder design which complements to the integrated dynamic shell design for a tougher appearance and strong-looking instance to stand out from other competitors in its class. Ang front light naman natin, naka-LED na ang DRL, position lamps, turn lamps, and LED headlights, and then at the same time, an LED na rin ang fog lamps. Add style and character to the vehicle, and it also provide better visibility day and night for a safety driving. Dito naman tayo sa engine. So, ang engine niya is 1.5 liter Mavic 4-in-line, double overhead cam, 16-valve gasoline Euro 4. Maximum power niya is 104.5 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Maximum torque niya is 141 Newton meter at 4,000 RPM. Fuel tank capacity niya is 43 liter. Dito naman tayo sa tires. So, 18 inches wheels and 225/50 are 18 tires. 18 inches two-tone alloy wheels gives a robust impression on the vehicle. Ang spare wheels niya is 18 inches donut type. Ang turning radius niya is 5.2 meter. Suspension niya is MacPherson strut coil spring with shock absorber and stabilizer bar. Ang torsion beam niya with coil spring with shock absorber. Naka-keyless operation system tayo or push button. Dito naman tayo sa driver side na door. So, ito po yung sa driver side. So, naka-install na po tayo yung button ng mga windows natin. So, ito po is naka-two-tone na rin. Yung natin, naka-silver accent with black accent po. So, ito po yung natin, sounds natin, naka-Yamaha na po tayo sounds. Dynamic sound, Yamaha Premium, signature, lively, powerful, and relaxing. Tweeter is for higher frequency and ang woofer niya is for lower frequency. Naman tayo sa design ng interior ng X-Force GT. So, yung steering wheel niya is 3-spoke leather wrap. Dito sa left side, natin yung controls ng sounds natin and volumes. Dito naman sa right side, nandito yung cross control, hands-free control. Dito naman tayo sa meter cluster. 8 inches instrumental cluster, all variants po, naka-install na po. Ito naman tayo sa monitor. So 12.3 inches smartphone, link display audio, and then naka-Android Auto na siya, Apple CarPlay, and then WaveLink. Naka-install na rin ng AM and FM, Bluetooth, USB, iPad, monolithic structure, multi-widget type home display, triple meter display, vehicle information display, wallpaper mode, watch mode, WaveLink, and also equipped with speed compensated volume and equalizer. Naka-install na rin yung ambient lighting sa GT variants. It is going in and visibility of buttons and compartments. Plus, it keeps premium fuel and vibe inside the cabin area. Ang exterior natin, horizontal access design inherited from expander. Yung seat material natin is naka-leather seat na siya, and then with seat adjustment na sa driver side. Naka-install na rin ang control console box with color na 600 ml. Pwede siyang magkasya yung 4 bottles dito. Pwede kayong magpalamig dito ng soft any beverages na gusto nyong ilagay dito sa center console natin box with color. X-Force natin, yung aircon niya is dual zone auto, maximum cool, memory and dry, driver air vent na rin siya, and then naka Nano X na. Means once na naka Nano X tayo is more kini-cleanse niya o mino-moisturize niya yung air na pumapasok at lumalabas sa sa aircon. Ang GT variant natin, adaptive cross control, toggle switch off and down to select the desired drive mode. Ang drive mode niya is normal, gravel, and then yung mud. Ka-install na rin ang electronic parking brake. It is the system that applies the parking brake by the electric motor, giving the driver less effort when operating the parking brake. Pull to apply, push to release. Naka-install na rin ang brake auto hold. These features applies the brakes to the vehicle even when the brake pedal is released. There is no need to keep the brake pedal down for a long periods of time. While the vehicle is stationary, when the accelerator pedal is pressed, the brakes are released and the vehicle starts smoothing. Ang rear lights natin is naka-LED na rin. Combination lamp is LED. LED na rin ang brake lights natin. And then yung reverse lights, ang LED turn lamps is LED na rin. So, mayroon tayong shark fin na antenna. And then, mayroon tayong third brake na spoiler. And then, yung GT variant natin na X-Force is naka electronic tailgate na po tayo. Po yung second row natin. So, naka-leather seat na rin po siya. And then, 3 person po ang pwedeng makaupo dito. Capacity of 3. And then, may cabin tayo sa likod. So, yung mga baggage natin, pwede natin ilagay sa likod. And then, nandun na rin po nakalagay yung spare tires natin. So, malawak po yung cargo natin. So, maganda po yung X-Force GT natin. At the same time, ang X-Force GLS po natin. So, for convenient, maganda po yung indoor tsaka outdoor po ng X-Force natin. Iligan po talaga yung ambience niya ng X-Force GT natin. Ang transmission natin is naka-CVT. Optional seating for CVT enables more friendly device. So, 8 speed tayo. And then drive support features continuous variable transmission. Ang airbags natin is sa GT is 6 airbags and then sa GLS is 4 airbags. Ang glove box po natin is wide po. Marami po tayong malalagay dito sa glove box natin. So, wide ang space niya and then malalim po talaga. And then meron po tayo sa underneath po ng passenger driver seat is yung box po para sa mga shoes natin. Kapag basa po, pwede natin i-store doon sa loob. Ang X-Force natin, ang variant po ng X-Force natin is naka-rise body na po. Which means mas matibay po siya. Yun po yung nakakaiba or yun po yung signature ng Mitsubishi. Rise body po yung unit po natin. So, safety features po talaga and safety, compact safety po talaga yung body natin kasi naka-rise body po tayo. Install na rin ang active stability control with traction and then naka-install na rin siya yung active control, U-control, and then may hill start assist na rin po tayo, auto high beam, and then yung blind spot, and then yung beam cross. Naka-install na rin po yung FCM, Forward Collision Mitigation System. And then yung ACC, Adaptive Cruise Control, naka-install na rin po.
Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And follow niyo lang po ako, Melissa Baradero, ang Ilonggan yung agent. Nandito po ako para tulungan ko po kayo sa application natin at makakuha ng X-Force o ibang unit po ng Mitsubishi. Please like lang po and subscribe. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, Melissa Baradero, ang Ilonggan yung agent. Nandito po ako ngayon na nagsasabing Happy New Year po sa ating lahat and God bless po. Maraming salamat and sana po wag po kayong parating niyo pong tangkilikin ang video ko at panoorin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko and Happy New Year po. Have a nice day and God bless po. Bye! Dito ako located sa Mitsubishi Picabad Santos. Dito, siguradong 100% na may bibigay sa inyo ang previous nyo na worth 30,000. Wala pong to follow na previous. Lahat yan i-install natin upon release.